Welcome to episode 40 of In the Lab. Today we're talking about the aftermath of upliftingtshirts.ca. Hey guys, welcome to a nice bristly day here in December. I have good news to report. The plan worked. Do you remember a few weeks back, we'll include the link here, a few weeks back I was talking about I don't know how to teach entrepreneurship, so in my class, I'm in 224 at Saskatchewan Polytechnic, we started a company, upliftingtshirts.ca, and what it was a t-shirt company that sold these t-shirts. Now, it was social enterprise, so we wanted to give the money away, so all profits went to Carmichael Outreach. And so think about this, within a day of getting the shirts, 9 had already been sold by one of the girls in the class. Within 6 days, 51 had been sold, and on the final day we had 9 to sell at Sask Polytech. Christina Hollis over at the Junction, she sold 12 herself. Thank you. Some of the big ones, SLGA, a guy from SLGA bought a bunch. Sarah Lindsay, makeup studio, thank you, you guys bought a bunch. But the best part of this whole thing was last night in class, I asked the question, what did you guys learn? Now, I don't care about the textbook answer. What did you actually learn that will affect your life? And one of the girls, now there's one girl in the class when we started it, what she said, her biggest learning thing was that, well, anything's possible because, and she said, frankly, I didn't think any of this was possible when we started. And right, the very first class when I talked about we're going to start a company, and I was like, we're going to start a t-shirt company. And she said, you can't, what do you mean, where are we going to find t-shirts? And somebody else said, well, I know a place we can get them done. And then she asked, well, what are we going to put on the t-shirts? We don't know what to put on there. Somebody else said, I could figure that out. And all of a sudden, what this whole class was a process of showing yourself that anything's possible. Especially in the entrepreneurship sense, that whatever you come up with, whether it be a t-shirt with a slogan on it, a coffee shop, or a new service somewhere, you can do it. The world's going to tell you you can't. And that little voice, we talked about that little reptilian brain that Seth Godin talks about, that little voice in the back of your head that protects you, that says, don't go outside your comfort zone, don't try that something new, don't go outside of what people want and expect. No, you have to. That's where new ideas come from. That's where innovation comes from. And so, a learning experience for myself, you can get a lot done in 3 weeks. We literally, in 4 weeks, we came up with this. A logo, thank you, Eddie. A website, ordered the t-shirts, selling the t-shirts, and everything done in 4 weeks, and we raised $1,000 for Carmichael Outreach. I think that's amazing, and I think more so we have now 60 people in our tribe running around Regina with this on their chest. So, teachers, try something new. Don't listen to what you're told. You can expand on your curriculum. You can make an unbelievable learning experience with children or students. Try it. And students, go over and above. We had one person in the class that literally sold 14, 15 t-shirts herself. It's incredible. So, thanks for paying attention. Subscribe here. And, well, I'd say come buy a t-shirt, but nah, you're just going to have to suffice for a Strategy Lab one.